My olive tree doesn't produce fruit. The olive tree has specific temperatures, soil and watering requirements and fails to bloom or bear fruit if those conditions are not met. According to California rare fruit growers, the olive tree was one of civilized man's first accomplishments in Greek and Roman times. Location: olive trees hail from the Mediterranean, and so require long, hot summers and winters that stay above 30 degrees. These trees survive outdoors only in some areas of California and Arizona. They fail in colder areas, starting with a lack of blooming and fruit. Sunlight: olive trees require full sun for 8 hours every day if they're to bloom and bear fruit. Fruiting olive trees fail to bloom or bear fruit if they don't get enough sun. Soil and drainage: olive trees need quick draining soil, but can grow in poor, sandy foundations. They will fail in standing water or thick, muddy soil. If an olive tree is planted in the wrong soil, it doesn't have the resources to produce blooms or fruit. Non-fruiting olive trees. Some olive trees are decorative and don't produce fruit. Check their olive tree's variety before expecting fruit. Maintenance: fruiting olive trees require deep watering of 8 to 10 inches at least once a month. Some farmers feed their olive trees nitrogen fertilizer in the early spring to enhance blooming and give the trees resources for fruit bearing.